Namaste children. Today's topic is acids, bases and salts. What are acids? Any substance that releases hydrogen ion when dissolved in water is an acid. What are bases? Any substance which produces hydroxide ion when dissolved in water is called as base. There are two types of acids, organic acids and inorganic acids. Acids from plants and animals are called organic acids. Example, lemon orange contains citric acid. Tomato and spinach contains oxalic acid. Grapes tamarind contains tartaric acid. Milk curd contains lactic acid. Apple contains malic acid. And sting contains formic acids. Acids from minerals are called inorganic acids. Example, hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid and nitric acid. Organic acids are weak acids. It partially dissolves in water. It produces less amount of hydrogen ion in water. Inorganic acids are strong acids. It completely dissolves in water. It produces more amount of hydrogen ion in water. Indicators. It is a special type of solution used to test whether a substance is acidic or basic. Types of indicators. Natural indicators, synthetic indicators, olfactory indicators and pH paper. Natural indicators are created from naturally available substances. Example, litmus, turmeric, China rose, red cabbage. Synthetic indicators are man-made indicators. Example, methyl orange, phenolphthalein. Olfactory indicators are substances whose odor change in acidic or basic media. Example, onion, clove, vanilla. Next, pH paper. With the help of pH paper, we can find the percentage of hydrogen ion concentration. Let's see a video. Red cabbage turns red in acid. Onion, when added to a base, loses its smell. Litmus solution and litmus papers are made from lichen. When blue litmus paper is dipped in hydrochloric acid, it changes to red. Methyl orange turns red in an acid and yellow in a base. Phenolphthalein show no reaction in an acid but turns pink in a base. This table shows how acid and base react according to different types of indicators.
Litmus solution is prepared from lichen.
This table shows the effect of different types of solutions on litmus paper and the nature of the solution is determined. Let's see the physical properties of acid and base. Acid is sour in taste. Base is bitter in taste. When mixed in water, acid becomes watery and base becomes soapy. Reaction with litmus. Blue to red in acid, red to blue in base. Both acid and base are good conductors of electricity. The pH value of acid is less than 7 and in base it's more than 7. When zinc granules are added to sulfuric acid, a colorless gas is produced which passes through the delivery tube and reaches the soap solution. It produces bubbles. When a burning matchstick is brought near the bubbles, a pop sound is produced. This shows that hydrogen gas is present. When metal carbonate and metal hydrogen carbonate reacts with acid, it produces a colorless gas. When this gas passes through the lime water, it changes to milky. This proves that carbon dioxide is present. I made a crossword puzzle based on this lesson. Please solve this and post a screenshot of your answers in the WhatsApp group.